pinag-uusapan at pinag-aaralan itong fourth impeachment complaint. But it just so happened na kahapon po nagkaroon po ng caucus ang mga party lead, mga party members sa Lakas. So ako po, I can only say yung sa amin po, sa partido po namin, so nakatanggap po ako ng tawag galing po sa aking staff. At sinabi nga, meron daw party caucus around 10:30 or 11. So, during the party caucus, it was discussed. So, marami din po siyempre. May mga nagtatanong po.
Very quickly, what was discussed?
The content of the articles of impeachment.
The content of the fourth complaint. Etong fourth.
Yes.
Okay. And sir, very quickly, kung yung una was 23 articles of impeachment, etong pang-apat po na complaint, ilang articles po ito?
7 po. 7 lang.
So mas madali.
Mas madali at saka mas brief at saka very concise. In fact, karamihan po dito halos alam na rin po namin dahil dumaan na rin po ito doon sa Committee on Good Government. Dalawa po dito ay nilalaman nung naging resulta po ng ating committee hearing. Ang isa po dito ay yung nung naging meltdown po ng Vice President. Kung maalala po ninyo kung saan nagsasabi siya na nag-contract siya ng assassin to kill the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker. So, ito naman talagang maliwanag na Kitang-kita na yung mga grounds. So, yung kaya po kami, right there and then, nakita naman po namin, may basis, and this is also our constitutional duty. In fact, sa mga several interview, sige po.
Hindi, go ahead, continue. Finish your thought first. Finish, sir.
Opo. In fact, marami naman po nagtatanong after the committee hearings ang good government, what's next? Ano na yung aksyon? Parang nabitin daw. When will the impeachment complaint be filed? So, eto na po. Ginagawa na po namin yung aming constitutional duty.
Okay. Now, Congressman Sandro Marcos was the first signature. He was the first one to sign this complaint. Speaker Martin Romualdez was the last. But this complaint had 215 signatures. Tama, sir, no? 215.
Tama po. Overwhelming po. More than
Absolutely.
one-third.
And during the time of Erap Estrada, it was, I believe, 115 signatures. You can correct me on this, sir. So, ang tanong ko lang, bago pa ang pirmahan, were you all assured of the signatures?
And to be honest with you, during that time lang, nung ako nga po pang number 73 So, it was only there na after we discuss, sinabi na kung sinong interesado, you can sign. So that's the only time when I signed.
Okay. And this was actually transmitted to the Senate last session day before Congress adjourned, right? And ang tanong ko sa inyo, the Senate did not even tackle this when they adjourned. Anong ibig sabihin ito para sa ordinaryong Pilipino? Nangangahulugan po ba na magkakaroon ng impeachment trial, yung trial mismo, pagkatapos na po ng eleksyon?
Ako po, I believe that at any time, the Senate President can at any time call for special session to adopt the rules of the impeachment, or amend the rules of the impeachment. So, nasa call naman po yan ng Senate President.
Yeah.
But as of now, siyempre, hindi ko naman po mahuhulaan kung ano yung nasa isip ni Senate President.
Yeah, but then the problem is you do have re-electionists in the Senate this 2025. And ang tanong ko nga, nakakabuti ba para sa impeachment complaint ninyo kung magsisimula na ang trial, gayong madami doon tatakbo ulit. So they may not want to offend the Duterte camp because of course it's believed that they do hold some areas, Visayas, Mindanao, so you may not get the results that you want. Is it better for your complaint to be heard after the elections already? Kapag may mga nanalo na, in other words, a new Senate, there's gonna be a new landscape in the Senate. Bago na nakaupo.
Well, ako po kasi constitutional duty namin to Diba? So, well, kung ang pag-uusapan po natin ay yung boto, definitely may mga talagang iiwas po talaga dito because of the bailiwick of the Dutertes. But I think wala pong pinakamagandang kampanya. Kung ito po ituloy, makikita po ng taong bayan kung paano po sila nag-rule dito, kung sila ba ay naging fair, at kung paano po nila in-appreciate etong complaint na to. So at the end of the day, ang taong bayan din po ang huhusga dyan.
Oo. But let's say that, I mean, I should be asking Senate President Cheese Escudero, but just for the sake of a process, I want to ask you. So you did say the Senate President can call for a special session. You're right. So it's February, March, April. The elections are in May and kampanya na ng national ng February 10. Kapag nag-special session at walang desisyon to convict or acquit bago ang eleksyon, what happens then? Do the same senators who are hearing the case, or I mean this particular complaint, do they stick, kunyari natalo sila, or does the new Senate take over?
Well, ang Senate po kasi is a continuing body eh. So, after po ng term ng mga natalong senador,
Magte-take
mapapalitan
over
na
lang.
po sila.
Oo.
Yes, mapapalitan. Ganun din po sa amin. Sa amin po ang mas delikado dahil sa amin po, pag ikaw po ay natalo, talagang hindi ka na magiging part ng prosecution dahil ang requirement po sa House, 11 pong prosecution. So, siyempre po member ng House. So, but still, kung ikaw ay...
So ang maghirap
because
nito, sir, lahat kayo pressured manalo ngayon. Kayong 11, kailangan manalo kayong lahat.
yun po yung ano dyan, yun po yung challenge po dyan.
Okay, so what happens next? What happens now?
Well, we will wait for the Senate to act on the articles of impeachment. Ang bola ay nasa Senado na po. Wala na po sa amin.
All right. Well, on that note, I'm curious, no? I mean, clearly this mode has been done before, but what do you make of Paulo Duterte's statements, right? He was appalled by this and he said it's a political act of desperation.
Well, nakita naman po natin nung nagkaroon po tayo ng hearing kung may basis o wala eh. So, in fact, right from the very beginning, sinasabi ko, based on the evidence that was presented, talaga namang mayroong merit yung aming kaso. Now, it is up to the defense, no? Pag once nagtuloy na po itong impeachment trial sa Senate, nasa kanila po yan to prove otherwise. But at the end of the day, impeachment is the proper venue po para at least ma-ventilate po lahat ng issue at makita po talaga kung wala naman po silang kasalanan.